Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Dear students, I am your social study teacher, Miss Satya Firdaus. My dear students, today we will start the exercise of lesson number 7, transport. My dear students, topics we discussed at the time of reading are: what is transport? What is vehicle? Transport that travel by air and water. We discussed what is highway code. We discussed who are pedestrians and rules for all pedestrians. So the question we are going to discuss from the exercise is: answer the following questions. So my dear students, let's start. Question number 1 is: which is the fastest way of traveling? I repeat the question: which is the fastest way of traveling? My dear students, I told you at the time of reading, traveling by air is the fastest way to go anywhere. Aeroplanes can fly over the sea and the high mountains. They can transport hundreds of people over long distances in the shortest time. So, my dear students, the answer of this question is: traveling by air is the fastest way of traveling. My dear students, question number 2 is: what is a ferry used for? What is a ferry used for? My dear students, people who travel a long way sometimes have to cross the sea, a river, or a lake. They can travel by boat. My dear students, there are many kinds of boats. For example, a ferry. Dear students, a ferry carries a people and goods. Goods means products from one bank of a river to the opposite bank. So the answer of this question is: a ferry carries people and goods across a river or water channel. Question number 3 is: what does a tanker carry? What does a tanker carry? My dear students, ships that carry oil are called tanker. They are huge ships which carry thousands of barrels of oil and fuel, such as petrol and diesel. Question number 4 is: why are traffic rules important? I repeat the question: why are traffic rules important? My dear students, traffic is always on the move. Roads are very busy in the morning when people go to work and in the evening when they go home. My dear students, everyone on the road, whether they are driving, riding, motorcycles or bicycles or walking, must obey traffic rules. These rules are made to keep everyone safe and to prevent accident. So my dears, the answer of this question is: traffic rules keep us safe and prevent us from accidents. The next question is: where are the traffic rules given? I repeat the question: where are the traffic rules given? My dear students, in the previous question we have discussed that everyone on the road, whether they are driving, riding, motorcycles or bicycles or walking, must obey traffic rules. These rules are made to keep everyone safe and to prevent accident. My dear students, traffic rules are set out in a book called the Highway Code. Yes, the answer of this question is: traffic rules are given in a book called the Highway court. My dears, breaking traffic rules is punishable by law. Question number 6 is, what are the rules for crossing a busy road? I repeat the question, what are the rules for crossing a busy road? My dear students, we have already discussed about the pedestrians. People who walk along a footpath are pedestrians. My dear students, when you walk to school, you are a pedestrian. So, here are some rules for all pedestrians. Follow the rules and they will help you to keep safe. The first one is always cross the road at the zebra crossing or a safe place. Number 2 is before crossing the road, look both ways. When you want to cross a road, make sure you can see both ways. My dear students, it's a better before crossing a road, first look right, then look left, look right again, listen carefully. If there is no traffic coming, cross the road. And number 3 is do not cross from behind a parked vehicle. My dear students, traffic is always on the move. Roads are very busy in the morning when people go to work and in the evening when they go home. My dear students, our last question is, why should we not disturb the traveler when we are traveling in a car or bus? I repeat the question, why should we not disturb the traveler when we are traveling in a car or bus? My dear students, as I told you that the traffic is always on the move. So my dears, we should not disturb the driver when we are traveling in a car or a bus because the driver can be distracted and it may cause an accident. My dear students, the next question is, who are pedestrians? My dears, people who walk along a footpath are pedestrians. When you walk along to school, you are a pedestrian. Pedestrians have to be very careful. So the answer of this question is people who walk along a footpath are called pedestrians. My dear students, I hope you understood today's lesson. We'll meet you in our next class. Take care and stay blessed.